Yo, what's up guys? It's AB Funk back with another video. My name is Andre and today we'll be unboxing two NASCAR diecasts. One of them being from 2024 Wave 3 and the other one 2024 Wave 4. Both these are winner circle cars. So first up we have the William Byron 2024 Martinsville win. The spring race with the Hendrick 40th year anniversary cars. So very cool paint scheme with the red, as you see the confetti detail. So yeah, very cool car. And then we have the 2024 Wave 4 car here of the Denny Hamlin Bristol win from the spring race of 2024. This is a pretty cool car. You see all the detail right there. This was the race with the cars with all the tire wear and stuff. That was a very entertaining race to watch. So yeah, let's start off with the William Byron Martinsville win. Here it is, the Cookout 400, April 7th, 2024. Cool with the grandfather clock right there. And the race stats on the back. So pretty cool. So that's the William Byron card right there. And then here's the diecast right here. As you see the confetti detail on the left of the car right there. Very cool. More confetti on the back. And then the side of the car right there with more confetti. Very cool. The red cars from Hendrick are very cool. And yeah, with the flames on the side looks so cool. So that's the William Byron Martinsville win car from 2024. This is what it looks like with the card on the stand. Pretty cool. And then here is the Denny Hamlin 2024 Wave 4 Bristol win car from 2024. So let's get it out of the box. This one has these little hatches that I need to cut. One second. Got it. There we go. And then the other side. All right. So here it is. Let's get it out of the box. Food City 500 winner, March 17th, 2024. And the race stats on the back. You can pause that if you want to see. And then here is the diecast itself. Very cool car. So let's start off with the front, with the nose. Express oil change. On the side here, there's some rubber and on the side, very cool. Also like some burnt parts of the car, probably from the burnout and things. Pretty cool. Back bumper has some scratches on it, pretty cool detail. And then the other side, more detail on the right rear. Very good detail on this car. And the top of the car, number 11. So this is the Denny Hamlin Bristol win car from 2024. Here's what it looks like with the card on the stand. So yeah, these are two pretty cool die casts from 2024, from the 2024 season. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and peace out.